Do you feel empty? Emptiness can be emotional, it can be physical, it could be spiritual. Do you want to learn the root causes of emptiness? You want to find your purpose-driven life for self-fulfillment. You want to discover yourself afresh so that you can reach that purpose-driven life of total fulfillment and positive transformation. You want to stop feeling empty. You want to have emotional balance. You want to have physical healthiness. I'm talking here about holistic well-being. Or you want to have that spiritual renewal, that spiritual formation, that spiritual transformation. I can help you. My name is Josephine, and this is A Better Way 10. I'm a transformational coach, a Christian certified life coach. Call me on 404-590-8414 or send me an email at learnwithjoes@gmail.com. Or better say, check my website, learnwithjoes.com, for more detailed information and for freebies. I want you to love yourself correctly. And before I go, let me give you an info. Are you an individual? Are you a divorced individual? And you are looking to rebuild your life? There's a group coaching session starting on August 3rd. Get the details on my description link or get the details on the website, learnwithjoes.com. Don't forget, always love yourself correctly. Have a pleasant day.